So, you know you've got your double tabletop correct. You're feeling strong in those core muscles and you're ready for the next challenge. Here's what I do. Checking that you've got that lovely posture, shoulders away from your ears, back of the ribs on the mat, front of the ribs softening in, neutral pelvis, and a 90-degree angle behind each knee. Have a breath in, engage the centre, breathing out, floating one leg up, breathing in, squeezing an imaginary sponge between your bottom rib and your hip, and then breathing out, floating the second leg up to join. Join them together, glue them together. And then we're going to do our overhead arms. So keeping those ribs under control, we're going to take the arms up towards the ceiling, breathing out, take them overhead, towards the sides, and then breathing in, bring them to your knees and back up to the ceiling. And then we link the fingers together, place them behind your head, and we can do our abdo preps. Breathing out to roll up, breathing in to lower. Initiating the movement from our lowest rib, pulling down towards our waist, and that brings our shoulders and our head curling up. Keeping a small space between the chin and the chest, we could imagine holding a satsuma there. Switching over to the obliques, bringing your left shoulder towards your right knee and lower. Breathing out and into lower. And then switching to the other side, right shoulder towards left knee. Okay, from there, the arms come down to your side and we do the scissors level 2. So the knee joint is welded in that 90-degree angle and all the movement happens in the hip socket. The lower back, the tummy, it all stays still, held in place. From here, we switch into one leg stretch level 4. So bringing the head and shoulders up like the abdo prep, one hand on the knee, the other hand on the calf muscle. So we stretch the opposite leg out and then switch over. Out, in, breathing out and in. From here, we go into scissors level 5. And then into hundreds. So small little pulses with the hand, head and shoulders in abdo prep, and we're breathing out for 5 counts and in for 5 counts. And then we can rest the head and shoulders and arms back down, bend the knees, and then lower one leg down at a time.